Hi guys,
and welcome to our
welcome to our
YouTube
YouTube channel.
channel. My name is Lyra,
My name is Descent.
and we are the
Browns
Browns
repatriated.
Repatriated. Tonight we'll be talking to you guys about the essential packing list. So just basically going over the things that we had to pack or things that we have find to be essential once you get here in Tanzania. So we are gonna go over this list with you guys, and hopefully that will be able to help you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for coming back. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you guys like, share, subscribe to our channel as we continue to bring essential information, as much information as we wanted, as we needed when we get here, we are passing it on to you guys. So again, welcome to our channel. Thank you guys for joining us. Hope you guys enjoy. Welcome back to our channel, and Desant and I will go through the list. I will go first, and I will start, and then he will we'll go one and one.
Yeah, we take turns.
Yeah, I'll take turns. So I go first. You trace after me, as you always do. Go. No, I go. Okay, so the first thing, and this list that we are going to talk to you guys about, it's not when you are in the Airbnb or when you're in the hotel. It's when you first get your apartment, your house, whatever you guys going to be spending the next 6 months, 3 to 6 months, the essential that you guys is going to need. So basically, when you get an apartment here, sorry, my eyes are scratching me. When you get an apartment here or a house here, it comes bare. So you come in and you have no refrigerator, no bed, no stove, no nothing. So you start over. And then once you get the apartment, the first thing that you have to do is start spending money. So we're going to tell you guys a little bit about the things that you can bring with you, even if it's to pay an extra bag. An extra bag, I think, is $250 for some airlines, for you to bring with you. That will kind of give you an ease of mind to settle yourself in before you run out to buy things, okay? So the first thing I will start with is sheet sets. We didn't have sheet sets when we came. Sheet sets and towel. So if you are coming, and especially if you're coming with kids, you need it if you don't have kids, but especially if you're coming with kids, you need to bring yourself. We advise you to bring yourself, not need to. We can tell you guys what to do. We advise you guys to bring sheet sets, maybe 2, and towel, at least 1 towel for each person, towel and washcloth for each person that is coming. So our first one is a pair of sheet set, a towel and towel, maybe 2 sheet set and 1 towel for each person who is coming.
Okay. Next thing on the list, we recommend you bring a blow-up bed or a sleeping bag. And the purpose of this is just in case once you move into your apartment, you don't have to rush and go out and buy bed set or anything like that. You have time where you can go around and actually compare prices. Yep. And get the best price for the value.
Yep, because and I'm just gonna piggyback on what Chico said. If you don't have to rush, I promise you guys, if you don't have to rush, you save money. Because if you have a blow-up bed, you can have somebody make your bed. Because you have some place to sleep in the meanwhile while they're making your bed, which is much cheaper than going in the store and buy one. So a blow-up bed will be awesome. And if you have a blow-up bed and you have your sheets to go on it,
Good to go.
you can sleep for a while. So the next one for me is washable plastic wares. We see plates, cups, spoons, whatever. I don't know how what other word to use, but it's plastic wares, not disposable, but the ones that you can wash again and again and again. They have them in Walmart for like 97 cents. There are various colors. You can just buy a set for each person, and a plate, a bowl, a cup, plastic cup, and forks and spoon or fork and knife, whatever it is. But that's just essential, just in case you get over here and you get a unfurnished apartment or house. But it's 97 cents in Walmart. I don't know if Target has them. I really have not. I don't know. So
Next thing is flashlight for emergency lighting, just in case when the power go out, because it does go out. So you'll have that, and you're able to use that for a backup lighting.
yeah. So the next thing on my list is first aid kit, especially if you are coming here with children. You know, children get scratched, so you just want to work with a first aid kit. And in that first aid kit, I would say include some allergy medicine, some neosporin, some band-aid, insect repellent, except those that bonds like the what do you call them again? Back home?
Cobra.
The cobra. We didn't call them cobra. But anyway, the wrong ones, the coils. Yeah. You can burn the coil. You know, if you're sitting back here and the mosquitoes. And by the way, in my last video, I had a lot of mosquitoes. We do have coils that we have brought with us. So you can bring the coil or insect repellent if you want, neosporin, band-aid, stuff to clean scratches, Benadryl, the one to go, the topical Benadryl, for us, for those 50-something-olds, BioFreeze patches. Has patches, and we use the BioFreeze. Thank God we brought some with us. So just something that you know that you will use every day in your first aid kit. One more thing that I have on my list that I wanted to make sure that I'll tell you guys about. So you know, moving here, you might have stomach issues with the food, the water. You know, our body change because we come from one place and we come to the next. Maybe what you eat or whatever. Please, please, please get yourself some activated chocolate. I say chocolate. Activated charcoal powder that you can use. Just look for it. Get the organic one. I used to buy one from Amazon. It comes in a black container like this big, I think for like $14-15. So you can walk with that. If you have stomach problem, you just mix some in some water, you drink it. Soothe your stomach as long as you drink lots of water after that. So make sure you add that to your first aid kit. Okay?
Next thing we want to talk about is a power bank. The power bank for your phone. Ensure that you have that, so when the power go out, you can continue powering up your phones. Also, unlock phones if you have some. Ensure that your phone is unlocked prior to coming over here, so that you can use the services they have over here. If your phone is locked, you won't be able to use the services. If you have an extra phone, bring that with you also, because just in case you lose yours, you have that as a backup. If you got two, bring them.
Exactly, because it's kind of hard if you lost your phone. Yeah? But you just got two on me. Eh? I just want to point that out there. The next one is hair products. Let's say, for instance, like for me, I have dreads, I have locks, and I don't use, you know, I've been using the same product for years and years. So you just want to work with some to last it probably a good between 3 and 6 months. And if you do that, you know, in the process while you're here, you can find the right shampoo, you know, you can try after that. But that gives you time to find something the shampoo or the hair food and whatever else that you may need. But if you can bring your product that will last you a good 3 to 6 months, that would be awesome too. Especially if you have kids and your kids use the Carol Daughter or the Detangler or stuff like that. Not that I'm not saying that I didn't see here. We did see they do have them in the mall, but the price is very expensive.
Yeah.
Honestly. I'm gonna give an example. I'm talking about something different, but oil of Olay. If you use oil of Olay on your face, the night one and the red one, the day one. So in the States, how much for oil of Olay? Like $20 or something like that. Over here is like $60.
Yeah.
Seriously, me and Chico was looking at it and I was like, I'm not buying that, but I have we've been here for 4 months and I still have probably to last me for the next 2 or 3 months. So just walk with some stuff, so just in case that you can, until you find something that will agree with your skin. That's all.
I did too. You did too. Another thing we recommend is a water filter. You can get the ones that you put on the sinks.
Oh yeah.
Under the sink, I'm sorry, and in the shower.
On the shower head.
Especially if you have kids, because normally you might tell the kids, hey, don't brush your teeth with the water, but then they'll do that anyway. So
Yep.
once you put that under there, you'll be safe, and the kids will be good to go.
Yep. Since we've been here, when I first came, I was brushing my teeth with the water.
She would.
I didn't think anything of it. Actually, what I thought about it, because the kids and I was in Uganda before. When we was there at that time, I didn't use the water, but they used the water, and that's from experience. When we say, especially if you have kids, because you may tell them use the bottled water, but they will still use the tap water.
Something they're accustomed to doing, so they just continue doing it.
Exactly. And unfortunately, there is typhoid. So we know a few people who had typhoid. It's not a big thing. Not few people. I must say 2 persons that I know that had typhoid. And then, so it's not a big thing, but it's just that, if your children will listen to you and not drink the water, brush their teeth with the water from the tap, until they get used to it, then they probably you just need to bring the ones. You just, you screw on, screw off, and then you screw it back on, so they can use that to brush their teeth and to take a shower. And the last one for me is a water boots. I came here honestly not prepared for somebody who actually we came with all intention of doing farming, and I have no shoes. I go to the bush with tennis shoes. I went up in my foot. It didn't go up in my foot, thank God. I felt it and I lift my foot up. So I don't have proper shoes. So if you when you're coming, because we are going through the rainy season, it's coming up, and I promise you guys, it's a lot of water. So if you can bring a rain boots, if you have room to bring a rain boots, please do. You don't have to bring the big ones, you can bring the small one, but at least something that would prevent your foot from getting wet in the water. So that's basically it. We just wanted to go over a list of
essentials that we think that you will be helpful in your transition in coming over here or moving out from your Airbnb to your apartment.
Yep.
So I hope this information.
So the one bonus that I want to talk about is a crock pot. Don't bring a crock pot. You can buy a crock pot here, but I just wanted to add that in there. So let's say, for instance, you get your house and you have all this essential that you came with. I did not realize crock pot could cook so much things. Honestly, not crock pot, no, a rice cooker. Cooker. So I cook rice in the rice cooker. I fry fish in the rice cooker. I steam fish in the rice cooker. I make fish soup in the rice cooker. I stew chicken in the rice cooker. So it was very, 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 very helpful to. One of the first things that we bought was a rice cooker. So just for a little added bonus, that once you get here and you get into your house, one of the first things that you can buy, because you're not going to have a pot, but you're going to have electricity. You just plug that in and you are good to go. So yeah, that's about it.
All right, guys.
Thank you guys so much for coming back. Hope that helps. We are looking forward to sharing much more information with you guys. If you guys have anything that you guys have question about, please ask questions in the comments below. I will, if it's something that I can bring on a video like that, I will. And mostly that's what our videos is going to be about, just telling you guys our experience here, all positive, all on the up and up, and how it will assist you guys to make your life, your transition a little
lot
bit
easier.
easier. No, I wouldn't say a lot, I would say a little easier. And then you guys can go from there. All right, so again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Keep coming back. Please like, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. If you have and you have not, click on the notification bell. Okay.
If you have not clicked on the notification bell, go ahead and do that, and you will get notification on when we upload new videos.
Yep, and again, thank
Thanks,
you guys. My name is Lyra,
My name is Descent.
and we are the Browns
Browns
Repatriated.
Repatriated.
Thank you guys.
All right, guys, take care.
Kwahari.
Hi, guys. Welcome.
Welcome again to our YouTube channel. Today, Desant and I will be talking about. No, I'm not calling it. Desant and I will be talking about essential packing lists.
Yeah, just talking about some of the essential things that you should bring when you're coming over here.
Okay, so how we're gonna do it is basically Desant is gonna talk about the things that he had to pack and the things that I packed. So we'll just go over our list. I will start because I'm the woman. The women go first.
Except when a boy chasing you.
No bull. The only bull that's chasing is you. So stop your shit. I don't think we could take that.